What is up, YouTube? Back with another quick video on the 68 First Street. Today we're going to be replacing the fuel cell cap. Alright guys, so when I purchased the car, it had this hardwood plastic fuel cell in it. I had actually replaced this cap once before because it would not open properly for me. And now I'm having pretty much the same issue again. I had to remove the gasket on this because I just could not, this was swelling and I could not get this cap off without destroying it with a flathead. So I had to rock it without a gasket here, which is just driving me nuts. So these are just overall, you can see here, they're a pain in the ass to use, and it only came off so easy again because the gasket is off. So I went on Amazon actually, and I found one like this. This looks like the exact same one that Jegs offers. Comes with all new stainless hardware, reuses this gasket here, and it's a screw top. So it'll make it a lot easier to open and close the fuel cell cap, and it won't be a fight and it won't have to damage this gasket. So I just wanted to do a quick review, being that I did purchase it on Amazon, and we'll see if the bolt pattern lines up, and we'll get it all on there and see how it works. All right guys, so we have the new fuel cap installed. It was able to slide right on the existing bolts that I had for the old fuel cap. So I didn't even wind up swapping out the hardware because it was already set in there with this gasket and then the gasket that was underneath. So I wound up just keeping the factory hardware that I had on there with it. The bolt pattern lined up perfectly. I was able to tighten it down, and now we have a nice screw cap that has its own built-in gasket, and makes it super easy and accessible to add the fuel in there rather than fighting with that old school style cap. And you can see it works perfectly. It's got a nice black powder coated kind of anodized looking finish, and it sits perfectly on that hardwood fuel cell. So overall, good upgrade. Stop dealing with these types that are just a huge pain in the ass and constantly warping on me and have given me a hard time. So for 55 or 56 bucks, definitely a good upgrade. So now I'm gonna clean this up a little bit and get her back on the road. So thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them below, and I will put the link to this cap in the description.